Are you someone who overthinks everything in their life? If so, this is for you. Overthinking kills your peace. Instead of getting lost in your thoughts, turn to a better solution. Seek forgiveness through istighfar. Overthinking won't protect you from pain or sorrow, but seeking forgiveness will. It can ease your worries, provide solutions in difficult times, and bring you comfort when you need it most. As Muslims, it's easy to get caught up in overthinking, constantly analyzing our actions, intentions, and the possible outcomes of our decisions. This can lead to anxiety and doubt, making us question if we are truly fulfilling our religious duties as we should. We might worry about our prayers, our relationship with others, and our efforts to lead a righteous life. But we have to remember, this is exactly what Shaitan wants. He tries to make us doubt and forget that we can't control everything or change the future by worrying. Instead, trust in Allah and know He is in control of everything. It was narrated that Abu Huraira radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, the Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. Better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, although both are good. If anything befalls you, do not say, if only I had done such and such. Rather say, Qadara. Allahu wa ma sha fa'ala. Allah has decreed, and whatever He will, He does. For saying if opens the door to the deeds of Satan.